Class among us. Hello, everybody. It's Mr. B. We are going to be talking about shapes, different kind of shapes, and some things about shapes that make them what they are. Okay? Now, today's lesson is not going to be much of a lesson. I'm just going to show you what we're going to be getting into and deliver a packet that I've found for you guys, okay? So this is what's going to happen. Of course, we're going on Thanksgiving break next week. I got him. Got him. We're going on Thanksgiving break this week. And I know you guys are all super busy from your regular classroom work. But I'm going to have a packet for you guys. And if you have printing abilities at your house, go ahead and print them, because the ones I'm going to be able to make are not going to be in color. Now, this is how this is going to work. My kindergarten through third grade are all going to be working on geometry, but it's going to be different for everybody. Okay, so we're all going to be looking at the same thing here, right? Like, for example, triangle, pentagon, probably not for kindergarten, right? So some of this is going to be for some of you. Like my third grade students will probably do the whole packet. My second grade students probably will too. They can handle this. First grade and kindergarten, going to be a little different. So as you go down through, you can see, oh, this is probably work we'll do. And some of it won't be, okay? But what I would like you to do, if you have a printer at home, I would like you to print these out yourself. Now, when you guys are on break next week, I'm going to be still working because my schedule's different than yours. So I'm going to make packets for everybody. But if you have them at home, I would suggest creating your own, because it's just going to be more colorful. It's going to look better. My copies are going to be all black and white. And you can see some of this is black and white, but some of it's not. And I think the color is important. So I'm going to send a copy of this to everybody. It's a very good packet. I'm really impressed with it. But you can go ahead and put it together if you want to. If not, just wait. And I'll get you a packet for yourselves to come and get with the rest of my stuff as I transition more into Zoom lessons and packets for everybody. Because if you didn't know, I was a little sick and I haven't been at school. All right, everybody. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving. I'll also send along different videos for you to watch that will reinforce these lessons that we're going to get into probably from now until Christmas time. There may also be some assessments that I'm going to have you take. We're going to have to figure out how that's going to work. All right? Have a great Thanksgiving. I miss you. Download, copy, print, and we'll see you next month, really. All right. Have a good Thanksgiving. Stay safe. Be good, everyone.